Hello and welcome. I'm Arpit Goyal from Berkowits Hair and Skin Clinic, and today we're trying to answer a very commonly asked question. Which is better, hair transplant or hair patch, also known as hair toupees? Each method has its unique benefits and drawbacks, and we are here to help you understand which one might be best for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about hair transplants. This is a surgical procedure where hair follicles are taken from a donor area, usually the back of the scalp, and transplanted to the balding or thinning areas. This surgery is done under local anesthesia and is a day procedure, meaning there is no need for overnight admission. Pros and cons of hair transplant. Like everything in life, hair transplant has its pros and cons, which we must understand before we answer the question, which is better, hair transplant or hair patch? Pros. Most natural results. Even with the technical advancement in hair patch, a well done hair transplant will still offer the most natural look since the hair is your own. Permanent solution. Once the transplanted hair grows, it continues to do so for a lifetime. Low maintenance. Post healing, it requires very less maintenance compared to other solutions. 100% lifestyle freedom. Since transplanted hair are your own hair that grow just like your existing hair, you have 100% lifestyle freedom to do what you want, such as opt for a super short haircut, etc. Cons. Surgical procedure. It involves surgery which can be scary and can have associated risks. Recovery time. 100% healing can take a few weeks with hair transplant, and initial results take 6 to 9 months to appear. High one-time cost. It can be expensive depending on the stage of hair loss and the clinic. In India, hair transplant ranges from Rs 40,000 to Rs 2 lakhs and plus. Low density. Compared to hair patch, hair transplant cannot give you high density results. Now let's move on to hair patches or toupees. A decent non-surgical hair replacement system will be made from human hair and is applied to the scalp using tapes, adhesive or clips. Hair patches can be custom made to match your natural hair color, texture and style, providing a quick solution to hair loss. Pros. Instant results. It provides immediate coverage and fullness. You can get a full head of hair within 1 hour with a hair patch. Non-surgical. There is no surgery, no pain and no recovery time needed. Reversible. You can stop using a hair patch whenever you like, or choose clipping or taping attachment methods that enable you to take it off whenever you want. Low initial cost. A good quality hair patch can be available anywhere in the range of Rs 15,000 to Rs 60,000, which would last you 6 to 12 months. High density and custom hair length. You can choose whatever hair density you want in a hair patch and can even choose long hair up to 12 to 15 inches also. Cons. Maintenance. Requires regular cleaning, adhesive reapplication and periodic replacement. On an average, you would be needing a hair bonding service every 20 to 30 days. Comfort. It can sometimes feel uncomfortable, especially if you have sensitive skin. Appearance. If not properly styled or maintained, it may look unnatural, and this is most evident from the hairline. Trimming of existing hair. Some attachment methods, like hair bonding, will need your existing hair to be trimmed. Let us now focus on who should ideally opt for each solution. Let's explore which option might be best suited for your unique situation. First factor will be your stage of hair loss. Rule of thumb would be grade 1 and grade 2 should opt for a hair loss treatment. From grade 3 till grade 5, a hair transplant will give you 100% coverage, and for grade 6 and 7, a hair patch might be the best option. However, it is just not as simple as there are other factors at play. Result expectation. If you want movie star hair or your original hairline before you started losing your hair, hair patch might be the answer. However, let me be very clear. In most cases, hair transplant can give a very realistic hairline too. Timeline of results. If you want hair immediately, like for a special event, and cannot wait for 6 to 10 months, a hair patch is your best option. Maintenance. A hair transplant will require much less maintenance than a hair patch. If you will find it hard to take out any time for your hair, go for a hair transplant. Medical versus cosmetic procedure. If you have any apprehension of getting a surgery or a medical procedure involving injections, etc., a hair patch will work for you. Now, which is better, hair transplant or hair patch according to me? Should I throw you a googly? It's both. Yes, you heard me. The best solution is a mix of hair transplant and hair patch, where a hairline is made through hair transplant and a hair patch is worn behind if needed. In fact, this is the combination I believe Salman Khan is using. At Berkowits, we call this treatment symbiosis and it can cost between 80,000 to 1.5 lakh rupees. I hope I was of help today. Thank you.